Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. We are on Outside Rides with a Z. It's your boy Dre, man. I know it's been a little minute. We here though, you feel me? We here, man. We just starting from a new starting point, a new checkpoint. How y'all doing today, man? How y'all doing, man? Y'all see we outside. I got a little juice in the battery. You feel me? Supposed to do a little fishing today, but things ain't go as planned. So we're gonna go ahead and kick it out this way to the left and see what's going on in town. Now, y'all make sure y'all leave a like, subscribe on this channel. If y'all want to see me play the game, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and check the description. You can either look up Dre's in Control. You can look up DNA Dre Live. I run multiple accounts, more than one account. I think I'm about to get on this side. I'm gonna wait though. My hair is in my face. Oh Jesus. But yeah, man, it's windy today. It's windy. How y'all feeling today? Everybody good? Shoot. Now, a place has burnt down. It was a place downtown, and it burnt down. And the last time we rode past it, it was up, doing well. But now apparently it is burnt up, and so we gotta see. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, is there a mask on the tree? Okay. I gotta go ahead and make a stop in a second. Tie my hair back because my hair keep getting in my eyes. Oh God. Come on, Clark. Come on. Make up your mind. You look so much better when you. Oh my God, something in my eye. See what I'm talking about? Well, it wasn't my hair, but damn. Go all this debris, man. People cutting grass. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. I'm gonna stop right here. Gotta put my hair back, y'all, cause God dang. Got my little bag with me with the kit, you know, everything I need. I did just get some DJI mini microphones. I got 2 of them, but I haven't set them up yet. And I think I may use them for IRL stream, but I'm gonna use them for this. I just gotta figure it out. I'm gonna strap it to my shirt and, you know, got the little clip on it. W's of that. Let me see. Yeah, this is so much better. Oh shoot, I thought I left something. All right. Yeah, man. Hope everybody having a good day. It feels pretty good outside, so I said, and it's not too hot right now. It's not that hot. So I just say, hey, why not? Let's pop out. Oh shit, I got 4 bars. Oh Jesus. Yeah, this might not be a long video. Cause if my scooter cut out, I'm screaming. Oh shit. Oh God, we got traffic. Oh shit. I'm not doing that. I was gonna try that jump right there, but I would have failed. I would have failed in life. Let's go and jet up on up here. Let's get on up here. Let's get it. Come on. Pop out. Boom. Oh yeah. Watch the trees. Any more cars coming? Not quite. Oh shit, I ain't see him. Fuck. Get back up. I ain't seen. We got some pretty trees right here. Oh, I'm allergic. I'm joking. I don't want to get stung by no bumblebees today, man. Hey, has anybody ever been stung by a bee, a wasp, any type bug like that? Because I haven't. And what are the odds? But I don't want to jinx it. Oh, no. I'm getting in the road this time. I don't want to jinx it. You feel me? So, 1 out of 10. Somebody let me know down below how that feels, because I'm not sure. I have no idea. That shit's scary. I wouldn't want to get bit. Because I think after some bugs, when they bite you, they die, ain't it? They pass away. In GTA, oh shoot, we got a car coming. Come on, Harley Davidson. Come on, man, if this Harley Davidson don't push it. GG's, he's gonna get me. I'm trying to make left. I'm trying to make this left. He gonna let me through. Yes, he is, because I'm doing it. What if he hit me right then and there? I would have been cooked. Like, we right here with it. Slide this way real quick. Yes, sir. We're gonna make this right. We're gonna go straight downtown with it. What's up, man? All right.
They flying at you, bro.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir. All right. Oh, I'm going. This me. Ain't nobody looking at me. I'm sliding through. Ooh. It's looking pretty normal downtown today. You know, and oh my God, it feels so good right now. That breeze. It's blowing down my leg and stuff. All right, we're gonna let this car go. Should we stop? Yeah, I think nah, I ain't gonna stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Yeah. I got to. Fuck that. I see. Look. Cars right here. Let me get up here again. Let me get up here. Cool. I'm about. Wait. Did that car just come from this way? What the fuck? I thought you can't come from that way. Oh well. Hey, you gonna let me go, shorty? You gonna let me go? Thank you. Ooh, yeah. I'm here. All right. Ain't nobody behind. All right. She went that way. What's up, man? All right. Cabin fever. Closed. Y'all thought that lady was real in there. Oh, ho. Hold it down, y'all. We're approaching the place. Slowly coming up on the place. What the? All right, now that lady in there real. Somebody in there is real. I thought it was a mannequin again. But let me slide on this way. Yeah, we downtown with it. We are approaching a place that had apparently burnt down. Well, it didn't burn down. It caught fire, and it was a big fire. And I was at work, and I looked in the sky, and I seen smoke. You feel me? Look right here. Golly. Jesus. Oh, I got a car behind me. Oh my goodness. How you doing? All right. Nah, this is crazy. Hold on. I don't know how this shit happened. I don't know. But if those two poles right there had came down, Jesus. Damn. That's crazy. Who just yelled? I know they ain't yelling at me because I don't know nobody. All right. Yeah. We're gonna skim down this way. Oh shit, I got a car behind me. Fuck. And I'm ready to get up on this sidewalk. Easy. Come on, man. Hey. Hit me, yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. All right. Well, I'm always get caught lacking, man. I don't be doing nothing, man. I be enjoying my life. Outside rides with a Z, you hear me? Oh, what happened to this tree? Is that the leaf they get for backwoods and stuff in grabber? I'm not sure, but yeah. My car's sitting low. This shit sitting pretty low. You say you always got that camera on your head. Nah, I mean we all got cameras on our head, our eyes. It's just that we don't have an SD card and to save stuff. Imagine if we can sit up there and see something. All right. Imagine if we can see something and actually memorize that shit. Wouldn't that be crazy? Oh, I hear kids yelling. Oh, I'm going this way. I don't think I rode this way. I rode back that way. I haven't rode. I don't know. I don't remember shit. We swinging through. Oh, they blocked that way off. Oh. Yo, what if somebody said, "Come here, bud.
I have something for you."
Goddamn. I ain't trying to crash. I ain't trying to run into incoming traffic. I'm coming through though. Yes, sir. Here. I don't know who they blowing at. What me? My shit sound like this. Bruh. That shit ass. Let me slide on through here real quick. So much debris in the air. What's going on? So much debris in the sky right now. Alright. We're on Washington Street right now. Oh, somebody there, like my boy house, that bike up there. Hey, that little scooter, he better get that motherfucker in the house before I end up picking up. I need it. Let me get on this side before I get smacked. There we go. We ain't got no cars for a little minute. That's good. Shout out to that. Congrats to that. You feel me? Got another one coming up behind. Yes, sir. Okay, we got a free road. Well, we don't got a free road, but yeah. Y'all make sure y'all leave a like and subscribe. I ain't gonna lie, I want a icy. I want a snowball. I'm ready to go sit in my freezer. God damn. It's hot as the fuck. And I'm coming all the way through. Ooh, yeah. Oh, watermelons. Hey, that's the dude. Oh, no, I thought it was the same dude that came my job. Gave a couple of the homies some corn, man. I wasn't there, man. I want some corn. Shit, I like corn on the cob. Shit. Look how I'm riding one hand. Got a one hand that joint sometimes. Oh, I just hit a rock. That's crazy. Yo, I've been having a free road for the past 28 minutes. Oh my God, something hanging out the bottom of that car. That's not good. Okay. Don't think I'll be able to go straight through. And I sure am. No stop sign. We don't make stops. We don't make stops. We don't make stops. Oh, he out there jamming. God damn, it is hot though. Is that a helicopter? Oh, that's a bird. Yo, if my scooter cut out, I'm telling you, I'm screaming. Y'all gonna hear a real life Tom and Jerry scream today. We're gonna scream so loud it's gonna hurt. Okay, watch it, watch it. We got the Jay-Z's on the side of the stores, man. You feel me? Clean up to it. Got the side of the store that say believe. You gotta believe sometimes. Hope no car coming. Please don't make this right, because I'm making it right. Please don't make it right. And you're not. Thank God. Let's go. Cut it. Woo, woo. God damn. We are coming up on Greenwood, man. Like I said, y'all make sure y'all leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, say what's up down below, man. Tell me, you know, let me know what's going on, man. Let me know what y'all want to see. Should we go to another city? Nah, I ain't gonna lie, we might gotta go Ocean City. We gotta go Ocean City and ride around the Ocean City. We're gonna ride the whole Ocean City, but my scooter gonna die. So we gonna have to either get another scooter, or we gotta use my scooter and rent a scooter. One or the other. You figure deal me. Yo, there's cars in the parking. I said the parking lot, of course, but there's cars in the grass and shit. They having a party. Baby, welcome to the. All right, we got the truck coming. Come on, I'm gonna let them slide by. I'm gonna let bro guys slide by. And I'm coming up straight up here. Coming right up here. God damn, it's hot. All right, come on, brother. Come on, brother. Yes, sir. Like I said, man, it's the 600 side over here. Y'all make sure y'all leave a like on this video here. I got y'all boys with another video. Gonna pop out again. Even though it's hot. When I'm cold, when it's time for the cold, when it gets real cold outside, I ain't gonna lie, what's going on? When it get cold out there, bit, y'all just know I'm gonna have about 8 jackets on. We're gonna have 8 jackets, 14 pairs of gloves on hand, 36 pairs of socks on feet. Like, you feel me? Outside rides, man. We checking out. Y'all make sure y'all leave a like on this video. Leave a comment. Say what's up down below. I'm gonna catch y'all boys. Beep, beep. Couldn't stop my video, man. Motherfucker almost made me crash, and I just rode past my destination.